Hi! In this video I will show you where you can find heart rate and resting rate statistics. If your Apple Watch collects data about your heart rate, you can see the current pulse on your watch. But if you want to see more statistics, you have to open the app Health on your iPhone. Tap on Health Data down here. And open Heart. Here you can choose between today, week, month or year. Here you can choose between heart rate and resting rate. Good luck! Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.